Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be playing Roadside Shawarma with Dan, Raf, and my other friend Cadmiel, also known as The Void. Look at this tough outfit. Mm-hmm. We've seen the fit. We've seen the fit. I was supposed to wear a Okay. I was supposed to I was supposed to wear a McDonald's shirt, but like it got like it got I don't know deleted or something. So my saved outfit did not work. But yeah. Um. Anyways, make sure if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like and sub and enjoy. But I have to give a warning. They might say a lot of bad words all because of Cadmiel. So yeah. Enjoy. Enjoy us suffer. Open the fridge. Open the fridge. Oh. He said throw the cola to the window. I really finish your training. Okay. That was just the training.
Lang boy.
Okay. People pop, people pop, people
Yo,
pop.
Jet. This is the part that Joshua almost got choked to death.
Ah. Here's something else. I literally forgot. Oh yeah, all done. Shawarma chicken. Alright, I got this.
Biglang big mo sa ilo ko na nagsisama ako ito.
That's one.
Okay, Kadmiya, sino mas taasin nyo? Mangod mo, ikaw.
Oh, that's. Oh,
Uy,
that's a
ano ka
good three.
mango? Oo.
Whoa. Okay, so it has to be just chicken. That's one. Yeah. That's one. That's two. Kobe.
Parang Meg.
This is three. Kobe. Ah! We need to memorize the order for the twins. We need to remember the order for the twins, guys. So you better wake up. Raph, are you listening?
Parang Meg. Hey, okay, shawarma,
Okay.
chicken lettuce. So, two shawarma king lettuce. I'll call king lettuce.
Alright, alright. King Letos. Watch the speedrun, bro. Watch the speedrun. Oh, oh, oh. Dan, I want you to take note of the order so that just in case it's the twins, we will know which the order was.
Okay.
Alright, look at this.
Shawarma, chicken.
Alright, chicken shawarma, I got this. I'm the one I'll be the one taking the orders.
You serve the food, I serve the thing.
Yeah.
Go back to the kitchen. Damn.
Raph,
Yeah, what happened?
Raph.
What
Oh,
happened?
okay, power off, hold on.
Dahil, ba,
Yo,
hindi ko pag-spoil. Dahil hindi
uh,
pag-spoil.
missing person.
Pag-spoil
Alright.
dan. Uh, hindi.
Alright, who'll be the one who'll be the,
Oh,
okay.
si Brisbane yung
Brisbane! Oh my gosh, it's Brisbane. Ooh, Briz.
Hindi lang yung spoil, hindi lang yung spoil.
Alright, bro, I'm sending this to Brisbane. Let me take a picture real quick, hold on. This guy is so hungry for chicken though. They got it so perfect. I love
So
this
what?
game.
Hey, yo, chill.
Yo, bro, take note of the thing. Okay.
Okay. Chicken shawarma. Chicken lettuce shawarma.
Oh no.
Hmm. Kobe. What?
Bro, yo, hey, Dad, watch this. Dad,
Yeah?
Dad, watch this. Look. Three. Oh,
Mahal na.
oh. Yeah, nah. Yo, flickering lights. Weird man, just give him a cola. Yeah, that's basically it.
No, there's more.
Why Dan?
Ano?
Sino na sira?
Ha?
Sino na sira?
Bungol ka,
Ha?
nagambal.
Sino na sira?
Yan na, amigo naman. My friend.
Ah, okay.
Ah!
Guys, ginalo kong just been.
We got the
Whoa!
views per video, bro. What you know about that?
Hey, no class.
You don't dig
Bro,
out the low part, I swear.
bro, I just started recording and you already said it
Bro, I
again.
swear,
So
if you go
basically,
and look, I will smash your face until the I won't like you anymore.
hey, buddy, I'm already chopped and I don't even know. So don't even try me.
Man, I can't hear you. Your mic is so ah.
Yeah, it's fine.
That's what they all say.
I also can't edit, so you're cooked.
Balikan ko.
Okay, brother, hello? Brody. Oh, okay, now why did I put 808? Oh my god, it's Jordan. Oh, it's Jordan. Oh my god, it's Jordan. Bro, this is a fun game. Trust me. Alright, so Jordan already a big
Something,
back.
bro, it's
So,
getting boring.
now
Aquí
we're
pasa
doing.
chicken with his head cut off.
Jordan is already a big back, so we don't really need to, like,
Two chicken tomatoes. Two chicken tomatoes.
tomato. Alright.
I go with
Both?
chicken, you go with tomatoes. Chicken, tomatoes, chicken, tomatoes.
Shut your business.
Nah.
Oy, pototi, pos that.
Uy, potato.
Tuntaron Dan.
O sige, bas hindi ko. Bion takaron.
Yo! Wait, what's her order?
Kasi maro,
Shawarma,
10
chicken
sura ako for 10 days or
okay.
more.
Ano?
Okay.
Uy, kitsuro and musturo.
Alright, so, Dan, I have to tell you something.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go. Kitsuro and musturo.
I sent Brisbane the picture. You know what he said?
Huh?
He said, fudge you. And then I said,
Ano?
Uy, Dan! Himala! Para main madungdong ang dikit turo, mas turo.
Gatog sa... Garamain madungdong jet ang tawa. Garamain
Then.
Garamain madungdong
Ay,
ngikit.
ambot mo. Ikaw ah. Dan.
Garamain madungdong.
Turo.
Dad, Brisbane said fudge you because I sent him the picture and then I said you
Uy, si
absolute
Valerie
chicken
nakaputina,
gobbler.
oh. Valerie nakaputina.
Na. Chicken shawarma with that rice.
Ah, sa'yo na to. Ayun na.
Wait, take note for the twins. Take note for the twins. They might be next. Nagalay. The
Sino
twins might be
next?
next.
Head the source man. Ay,
Okay.
Papasin mo na to. Pasin to.
What do you do the can?
That's
What do you do the
man.
can, bro? What do you do the can? What do you do the can? What do you
head
do
the
the
source
can?
man. Ay, na, ano?
Missing person, bro.
Basi niyang night boy. Wala lang spoilers boy. Wala lang spoilers.
La escuela.
Spoilers.
Nice one.
Wala man. Wala Wala.
Oh, wait, ghost girl. Ghost girl.
Ay, sige, dapat magaling, no? Wala man jump scare.
4203.
Kaya kay basiguro di si kaya si Raf sa dara.
Ah, wait. 4203.
Grabe lag ko.
Uh,
Ay na.
we got you, homeboy. We got you, homeboy. I don't know. Oh, we're just sleepy. Yeah, Brody, that's a lot. Yeah, Blocky.
The face will become my wildest dream. Kulay mo ka, ay.
Chicken
Ay, na,
tomato.
buhay ka lang eh.
Chicken.
Dad Kara.
Chicken.
I don't know when to stop.
Shawarma chicken rice. Shawarma chicken.
Bawal. Hey!
Cadmiel, you're the food stock. You're the guy with the food stock, alright? You guys cancers, bro.
Hey! It's a man.
Cadmiel.
What? What?
Stock up the...
Rough left.
Oh wait, call this guy. Call the number. Hold on, wait. Do not give him. 4203. Oh, 203.
You just hear some screams.
Oh wait. I'm done. Hold on, wait. My bad. 40223. Alright, that's scary.
Nalakat man sa.
Because do not give him the food. You have to call the girl. You have to call the ghost girl. The ghost girl said to call her if there's a guy with a trash bag or something.
Express sa ka na.
Trigger. Oh. Twins. I guess this is the twins. Wait. Okay, take a picture.
Okay, chicken and tomato. Lettuce I think.
Twins. Okay. One. Okay, wait. Do not give him anything. I
Hotel,
remember.
pumutan ba?
So kaya ni boy. Trust me.
That's 2.
So kaya ni boy. You have to give us once. Ay ka, to si boy.
Paano ko gagawa, man?
How did you go out, bro?
Gano'n ni boy. Ano?
How's that even possible, bro? How is that even possible? Alright, oh my gosh, it's Joshua, bro. It's Joshua. Okay. There's going to be 2 parts of this video, bro.